How to digitize patterns and templates to a CAD and CAM system and also Illustrator in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Scan or take a picture of your physical templates with the N-hega scanners or cameras. Step 2. Let the NScan and NShot Pattern Digitizing Software systems automatically vectorize the patterns using AI. It takes seconds. Step 3. Double-check the vector lines and click Save to export to DXF. You can also export to all other major CAD and CAM systems, including Lectra, MBA, Lectra MDL, Accumark, Optitex, Clo3D, Solidworks, and others.